Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add music to your videos using Capcut. Adding music makes your videos more engaging and professional. First, open Capcut. On your dashboard, click Create Project. Once the project is open, we can import our media. Choose the media you want to use, then drag it down to the timeline. To add music, click on Audio. From here, we can browse audio tracks or import audio directly from our PC. We will pick a music track from the available options. We will add this one. Once we have chosen the audio, we just drag it down to the timeline. From here, we can adjust the audio to match the length of our video. We will trim the music so it fits perfectly. Now the video has music. When we play it, we will hear the audio. As we can see, it is now playing, which means the music has been added successfully. And that is how we add music to a video in Capcut. Now our edits can have the perfect soundtrack to match our content.